UpHome Shower Pan Base Installation. Review the complete installation guide before attempting to install UpHome products. Make sure to follow local building and plumbing codes. Start the project with a clean, leveled surface. UpHome shower pan bases are pre-sloped to drain and require a leveled subfloor to ensure proper water drainage. Validate shower measurements, floor level, and square. Install additional studs for shower doors and accessories if required. Work with a plumber to complete the shower rough-in installation and validate the shower pan base and piping matching drain location. Install moisture-proof drywall or backer board. Ensure all corners and seams are sealed using waterproofing tape. Consider the dimensions of the shower pan base and the waterproofing flange to validate measurements of the shower floor. Install the first half of the drain before setting the shower pan base. Box contents consist of a shower pan base, a decorative drain plate, a waterproofing flange kit, and an installation guide. UpHome shower pan bases generally do not require cutting. However, you may use a tile saw to cut a maximum of 1.5 inches in width and 1.5 inches in length per side. Install the waterproofing flange along the edges of the shower pan that are to be set against a wall. If you've trimmed your shower pan base, it's essential to make sure that you adjust the length of the flanges accordingly to ensure a proper fit. Trim from the straight edge side only, score with a blade, and snap to get a clean cut. Place screws 2 inches from the edges and evenly distribute the rest along the long and short sides. When drilling screws into the flange, do not use high torque to prevent stripping the screw hole. The long piece must be 3/8 of an inch longer than the length of the base. The side flanges butt joint to the back flange piece to create 90-degree corners. Contact UpHome customer service if an additional flange is needed. Use thinset or construction adhesive to adhere the shower pan base to the floor. It is recommended to wipe the back of the product clean. When using construction adhesive, apply it in thick beads following a straight pattern. The beads should be spaced 4 to 6 inches apart. When using thinset adhesive, it is recommended to wipe the back of the product clean and back butter the shower pan base to provide proper adhesion to the shower floor. Apply thinset adhesive along the shower floor and trowel. Install the shower pan base by tilting it and slowly lowering the back edge onto the subfloor. Continue to tilt the base forward until it lays flat. Measure the level on flat edges and use a rubber mallet to fix the level as needed. Complete the drain installation using bath silicone or plumber's putty. Apply painter's tape to protect the shower pan base from silicone excess. Do not nail or glue the waterproofing flange, as potential floor setting may create issues with the installation. Add a silicone bead following the outline of the waterproofing flange against the walls, waterproofing flange corner joints, and between the waterproofing flange and the shower base. Carefully wipe excess to ensure a flushed silicone application. Remove the painter's tape before allowing the silicone to cure. Clean any excess adhesive dropped over the shower base before it dries. Let thinset or construction adhesive cure according to manufacturer specs. Protect the shower base with cardboard before continuing with ceramic wall tile or UpHome shower wall installation. When pairing UpHome shower pan bases with ceramic wall tile, make sure to follow traditional tile installation best practices. Complete the installation by placing the decorative drain plate. It is recommended to use tile sealant to protect and preserve colors and facilitate maintenance. Shower doors must be set along the shower pan base's 1.5-inch flat perimeter surface. UpHome products may be cleaned with common household cleaners. Avoid use of abrasive tools or chemicals.